Hi everyone, it's Evie with another pour. I have Floetrol on my canvas. Okay, and now this is pretty much the same as my previous pour, except my brown is darker. It's kind of brown mixed with gold, but it's a lot darker. So I'm doing 2 cups. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit of brown in there. Okay. Next. Last time I put too much yellow. Which yellow do I want to put in there? I'll put in this yellow, but just a tiny bit of it. I don't want that much yellow in there. It's fall colors. You do a tiny bit of this yellow. One is Hensa yellow and the other one is cadmium yellow. And the Hensa yellow is transparent. I usually lose it in my paintings, but the cadmium yellow is a little more opaque, so maybe it'll sit on the cadmium yellow and I won't lose it. Now here's a dull orange I'm putting in. Very dull orange. Oh, you know what? I didn't put my green in. Let's put some green in. I'll put the green just right there with the yellow. Now we have a little darker orange. Okay. Now we have a really bright orange. This is what I want in my painting. A lot of that, and then this is kind of like a reddish brown that I kind of like. I like it when it shows up. Okay, and then okay, let's go ahead and put in. You know what? I haven't put in any gold. Now let's put in some brown with gold in it. And then put on this bright orange. Okay, and then this reddish orange. Actually, it's reddish brown, not reddish orange. And this lighter orange. And then this kind of dull orange. So, there we go. Let's go ahead and do our tilting. Tilted. That's spilling it. Ooh. So much for keeping it in the cup. Before I, just in case there isn't a lot of brown in there, I'm going to put some brown around the cup. I don't know what this will do, but I did it. Let's do this. Yeah, that looks like more like fall colors. Yes. More like fall colors. Ready, set, go. Yes, 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 yes. Fall colors. Okay, so I will also put hit of green. So we're doing good. Ooh, and gold. We are doing good. Alright, so let's do another cup. Let's go ahead and put in the brown. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing, can you? Nope, because both my hands are full. Okay, so I just put some brown in there. Put some gold. Ow. Put some of this dark orange that I love, which is all gone. Here, let's put it in this corner. I love this really dark bright orange. Okay. I think I made it with Hansa yellow and magenta. Okay. Let's put some lighter orange. Oh, you know what I love too? Is this reddish color, reddish brown. Ooh, it's showing up in there. Okay. No green, no yellow. Got plenty of, although, tiny bit of yellow won't kill it. Okay, because we don't have a lot of yellow. A little bit, but I like yellow. Okay, so let's... Okay. Oh, that's awesome. Too much yellow. I'm probably going to tilt that away. Some more of all these wonderful colors in a cup. Come on. All my colors are almost gone, which is good. So I think the darker brown definitely helped things out. Okay, so let's do some tilting to get the whole canvas covered. Okay, so let's tilt up real quick. I don't want to lose my cells. I've got a lot of awesome cells. Kind of looks like a butterfly in there. There we go. No more tilting that way. Now let's tilt this way. I really don't want to tilt much. Let's tilt this way a little bit. Okay. And then let's tilt this way a little bit. Oh, I don't want to lose that over there. I just want to keep everything. Okay, now let's get my sides all covered since I'm not tilting it. This is going to take forever to dry. The paint is so thick. Okay, I did not put any white in this, but the white that you see is Floetrol. I covered the canvas with Floetrol before I started. I believe I did, yes. Just so things could move a little easier. Okay, so turn it around so I can get the other side. Oh, that looks great. And there is a hint of green in there. It's a tiny bit of the light green up there, but not too much green because it's fall. corner is done. Come on, corners. You're the hardest to do. And there's lots of gold in there, lots of oranges, some yellow. Ooh, look at that right there. There's a lot going on. Hopefully, we'll maintain some of the contrast. Okay, so let's get a little closer. Okay, so bottom left, you see some cells forming in a bunch of colors, and the white is just Floetrol. It'll dry clear. Hopefully there's brown under there. And you see cells everywhere. This is cool. Oh, look at that streak of yellow. I love yellow. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I love this. The darker brown did a better job. Okay, but we'll see how it dries. Thanks for watching.